time that I moved on. Then I need to learn to lighten up and learn how to be young. But my heart is a valley, it's so shallow and man-made. I'm scared to death if I let you in, that you'll see I'm just a fake. Sometimes I feel lonely in the arms of your touch, but I know that's just me, 'cause nothing ever is enough. When I was a child, I grew up by the river Lee, and there was something in the water. Now that something's in me. Oh, I can't go back, but the reeds are growing out of my fingertips. I can't go back to the river, but it's in my roots, in my veins, in my blood, and I stayed every heart that I used to heal the pain. Oh, it's in my roots, in my veins, in my blood, and I stayed every heart that I used to heal the pain. So I blame it on the river Lee, the river Lee, the river Lee. Yeah, I blame it on the river Lee, the river Lee, the river Lee. I should probably tell you now before it's way too late, that I never meant to hurt you or to lie straight to your face. Consider this my apology. I know it's years in advance.